Memories fade, but they're never lost. Colors change with time and change of heart. If I hold on to the memories and use them to guide me, will you be right here beside me? Everything I know is behind me. I'm starting a new life. I just don't want to say goodbye. Sun has set on everything we know. Friends we've made, I don't want to let go. After everything that we have learned, it's our time now, it's our turn. If I hold on to the memories and use them to guide me, will you be right here beside me? Everything I know is behind me. I'm starting a new life. I just don't want to say goodbye. The lights go dim as we suddenly see it's time to find who we're meant to be. We couldn't wait for this to end. Now we wish we can start again.
Huwag kayong maingay. Andito kami ngayon sa bahay ni Sir Godwin. Ang ganda ng bahay ni Sir. Oo nga. Dami. Now, let's talk about Sir Godwin. Sir Godwin, oh, naalala ko na naman. Sir Godwin yung tipong hindi nakaka-board magturo. Yung tipong hindi ka aantukin sa dami ng joke niya, promise. At lahat ay may aral.
Sir, the best yung teacher. Yun lang. Dahil sa kanya, natuto tayong mag-computer, tsaka ang bait-bait niyang teacher. He's a great teacher po rin.
Si Sir Godwin, aka Aljur Ebrenica. Marami kaming lesson na natutunan sa kanya, saka hindi siya boring magturo. Napakabait niyang teacher sa amin.
Wait lang, sir. Si Dudong.
Saka si Enday.
Kay sir ko natutunan si Dudong, si Enday, saka malaking bunganga ni Bunay. Kay sir ako nahasa ang skill sa computer. Kasi yung joke niya, hindi siya nakakantok magturo nga. Yung joke niya, parang energizer, icebreaker, para kahit anong mangyari, hindi ako inaantok sa subject niya. Saka, sir, ikaw naman baga. Kala ko tayo tapos na eh.
Sir, kami nag-effort para palis ka na tayo. Mamimiss ka na. Palis ka na, sir. Sir, mag-iingat ka doon at saka sana kami hindi mo makalimutan.
Oo.
FB na lang.
and
Sir,
then?
napaka-bait talagang teacher na iba ka talaga sa lahat. Hindi ka nakakasawang bigyan ng mga special na effort dahil talaga namang mabuti ka teacher, mabuti ka.
Kala ko hindi nakakasawang tingnan. At gawa
Hindi
naman
ka nakakasawang tingnan.
kamukha ni Aljur.
Tsaka, sir, antayin ka namin ha. After 10 years, sana naman hindi nga ako magsasayaw sa kuwan. Pero magtuturo talaga ako, sir. Asahan mo yun, sir. Hindi ako magsasayaw sa disco, ha? Sa field ng education sigurado.
Sir, chocolate ha.
Everything I